Hi everyone, and welcome to the Bulker tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn how to safely connect our Binance account to our Bulker account. Let's get started. Open the settings page, navigate to the Binance API settings box. Click Get My IP Address. Your IP will appear. Do not close this screen. We will need this IP very soon. Open your Binance. From the Binance home screen, search for API Management. Click Create API, select System Generated. Label it Bulker or any name you want. Verify to Binance, auth code, and email code. Once done, you have your API key and secret shown on screen. Copy the API key and secret one by one and add them to the Bulker app. Don't click Connect now. We have to whitelist your IP first and enable permissions to have a successful secure connection. So copy your IP from the app. Go back to Binance. Click Edit button. Select Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. Paste your IP and confirm. Check Enable Futures. Check Enable Spot and Margin Trading. Note, do not enable withdrawals. This guarantees your funds stay safe. So we fully integrate Binance security system in Bulker. Click Save. Authenticate if needed. Now you have created your API key, added the required safe permissions, and whitelisted your IP. Go to Bulker, click Connect. Connection successful. The dashboard activates. Go back to it. You will see the green light. And now we are ready to start bulking.